The world's biggest trading tournament with a prize pool worth over $1,100,000 is about to begin. Over 1 million in prizes are waiting for you. And here's the best part. It's completely free to enter. 17th December, 9 a.m. Berlin time. 5,000 traders trade on demo accounts first, then move to instant accounts where every cent you earn is yours to withdraw immediately. Win incredible prizes, a tailor-made trading watch, a $50,000 instant account, Diamond Card Club membership, and exclusive access to profitable Trader AI. It's like Netflix for traders. Unlimited access to proven strategies with an 88.6% success rate and AI tools. Remember, you don't need to be in the top 5 to win prizes. There are rewards at every stage. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you can join. Whether you're in Europe, America, Asia, Africa, you can join. You can take part in whatever device you want, your laptop, phone, or tablet. But you must take action now because only the first 5,000 can join. Sign up now for free at MFA Tournament and fight for massive prizes. Don't wait. Click the button below and sign up.